How to understand Adidas shipping address edits and what to do if it's wrong. Hi everyone, today we are providing you with a clear guide on understanding Adidas shipping address edits and what to do if your address is wrong before or after placing an order. And let's get started. So when you place an order on Adidas, we can look out for the cart option for that. So when we place an order, it will be provided with a shipping address where basically our items will be delivered. So here we can look out for the shipping address. Let's check out. And we need to provide in a shipping address. So here we have this section for address. The address right here is used by the courier, the DHL, the FedEx, etc. to deliver your package. Once the order is confirmed, Adidas typically locks the shipping address to avoid delivery errors. So first thing we need to do is we need to understand the Adidas shipping addresses. And you can usually edit your shipping address right here before the order is processed. Once the order is marked shipped, the address usually cannot be changed directly through Adidas. And that way you can just go and check it out. You can basically log it into your account and edit your shipping address because direct edits are not allowed after shipping. Instead, you need to contact the courier to request the address correction or the package redirection. And that's it. While you're doing so, always double check your shipping info before confirming your order. You can use a verified address format recognized by a local postal or courier services. If possible, enable the delivery notifications so that you can act fast if the courier attempts delivery. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. It's basically these are the methods that you can follow up if you want to understand the Adidas shipping address edits and what to do if it's wrong. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.